In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install CapCut on your laptop step by step, the easy way. Whether you're using Windows or Mac, this guide will walk you through downloading the correct installer, setting it up properly, and launching CapCut for the first time, without any confusion. So, if you've been searching for a simple way to get CapCut on your laptop, you're in the right place. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser on your laptop. It can be Chrome, Edge, Safari, or any browser you prefer. In the address bar, type CapCut.com and go straight to the official CapCut website. Once the site loads, look for the desktop video editor page. You can also go directly to the CapCut desktop download page, which is the easiest way to get the installer quickly and safely. After the page opens, you should see a download option that says Download for Free, Download for Win, or Download for Mac. CapCut usually detects your operating system automatically, so if you're on Windows, it will give you the Windows installer, and if you're on Mac, it will give you the Mac version. Click the Download button and wait for the file to finish downloading. This may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder on your laptop and locate the CapCut installer file. On Windows, the file will usually be named something like capcut_setup.exe. On Mac, it may appear as a DMG file. Double-click the file to begin the installation process. If Windows shows a security prompt, click Yes or Run to allow the installer to continue. If you're on Mac, you may need to drag the CapCut app into the Applications folder after opening the DMG file. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. You'll likely see a setup window with a few prompts asking you to accept the terms and conditions. Take a moment to read through them, then click Accept or Agree so you can continue. After that, click the Install button and let CapCut finish setting itself up on your laptop. During this part, it's best not to close the window or turn off your device. The installation usually only takes a short time, and once it's done, you'll see a Finish or Launch option. Click Launch to open CapCut right away. If you don't want to open it immediately, you can close the installer and find CapCut later from your desktop Start menu or Applications folder. When CapCut opens for the first time, it may ask you to sign in or create an account, depending on the version you downloaded. You can follow those prompts if needed, but the main installation is already complete at this point. And that's it. CapCut is now installed on your laptop and ready to use. You can start editing videos, creating content, and exploring all the tools CapCut offers. If this video helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.